Hi guys, we are going to assemble the one basic PC for the office use. These are the components is there. This is the CPU i7 12 generation 12700K. It can next. This is the motherboard ASUS Prime B660AD4. It's a 12 and 11 generation. It will support. This is a SSD 1 TB crucial. See, this is 16 GB RAM Kingston HyperX Fury with the heatsink. And this is a CPU cooler. It can support 11 and 12 generations. This is the graphic card 2 GB Zotac G4 GT710. This is the power supply GAMEMAX. It has 600 watts. That's it. Thank you.